and welcome back to my channel and today's video. So in today's video I would like to use this palette from Revolution. This is the Maxi Reloaded palette, Dream Big, right? And I have been using this palette like I think for 2-3 times, and I did do a video using this palette in English, but somehow I didn't like the video. I don't know, it was a huge mess that time because we had guests here, and my guest, he has a kid and the kid was in the room, and I was like, no, this is not gonna work. So I kind of deleted the whole look that I created, and I'm thinking like I would like to do about similar look to the first video, but I'm not sure yet. If you would like to know what my thought is about this palette as well the look I will create, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video and leave me a comment. And without further ado, let's head into today's tutorial. Alright, so before I start to do my eyes, I would like to prep my face, moisturize it a little bit. I feel like it starts to get dry. Okay, so the face is moisturized and we will head on to do the eyes. Alright, so I will take first of all the shade here. As you can see, the pigmentation is really nice. I'll go all the way into my inner corner and making that shape, the bow shape. Alright, so I'm taking this brush, which is super fluffy. This is my favorite blending brush, and I will start to blend this first shade upwards, both from the inner and outer corner, like going just with circular motions. I'm trying to create that transition shade from this first color. Okay, picking up one more time a little bit from the first shade, and I will start to blend just to deepen up my crease. And once again, go a little bit upwards. Alright, so let's try out a shade here that I think actually doesn't work. I'm picking up this one. And trying to diffuse the edge of the first shade, just as I usually do with a highlighter. Is anyone there? Well, that wasn't much. This is like nothing. Okay, now alright, so taking the brush, and I will pick up once again the first shade and just blend it. Alright, so you can see what I did just to get a little bit more pigmentation from this shade. So the pigmentation in this shade is okay, but you have to work it up because it doesn't give you at the first time. Okay, first you apply and you're like, okay, this is nice, but as soon as you start to blend, you blend over like the pigmentation very fast, So that's why I have to go back all the time just to deepen up the color. Okay, so the next shade I would like to pick up will be, this is really difficult. I think I would take this one and just blend it into my crease. Okay, so I'm going back to my first brush and I will pick up once again the second shade on this brush. Just keep looking down. Okay, so I'm liking how this looks so far, though I haven't done so much, but I'm really thinking of picking up a shade that really shows through. But first of all, I need to do a cut crease. I would take this brush as my cut crease brush and this concealer. So I usually do like a low cut crease and sometimes I do that full cut crease. And doing the full cut crease, the first thing I like to do, like looking straight in the mirror. Okay, first I'm picking, let's say I put here a little bit and I look up. And I'm getting my mark here, so I will cut this area. So I usually like to start with not so much concealer. So while I was doing it, I decided to go with a half. Okay, taking this brush where I had the second shade on, and I will start just to blend in the outer part of the cut crease, just to diffuse any harsh line. And this is really, really important. And now I'm going back to the first shade on this brush. Picking up the first shade once again and pack it into my outer corner of my lid, like this. On this brush, I'm picking up the second shade and I will blend it in between. Going back to the first shade. And then I will pick up this shade here. Let's first try it out without wetting the brush. Okay, it's pretty nice. And now with wetting the brush. Oh, it's really beautiful. Okay guys, so this look definitely needs an eyeliner because it can't look just like this. It looks so naked without an eyeliner because the colors are so simple. Alright, so I'm taking this NYX matte liquid liner. Correct my eyeliner, I like to take this Epic ink liner. So the only thing I like to do is fill in the line or the empty spaces and maybe sharpening up the wing. Alright, while waiting for my lash glue to dry, you know, I have been obsessed with this gel glitter, a glitter gel or something, and I feel like it brings something beautifully out with the eye look, so I'm gonna pop on some of this too. So lashes are on. Now we'll move over and do my everyday face routine. I will speed through the video and I will be back when we will do the last touches together. everyone, so this is the final look for today's tutorial slash first impression in English and review. Okay, let's talk about this palette. I really like this palette. I like the colors here. I like as well the pigmentation. Not all of them has good pigmentation, but like let's say about 90% of this palette has good pigmentation. Especially the matte shades, like this has super nice, and this has really good, and this has really good. This was, when I tried it first time, it was a little hard to blend. It like the blending become a little patchy, so I need to figure out a technique to blend this shade. But overall, I really like everything here, and I think this palette is really affordable. Like you get most of the colors you really like, and I don't know if I would change anything here, like beside maybe. But you know, always the yellow are these colors that are really hard to get good pigmentation from and color payoff. So you have just to build it up all the time. But I think this is a good palette if you are a beginner and you like to play with colors and you have big dreams about looks. So I would really recommend this to anyone. So yeah. Anyhow, this was the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video and leave me a comment. And I know that my outro is really weird because I can't like focus on the words and I'm a little mixed. However, this was all for the day and I really like this makeup look. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye bye!